Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing guys? क्या हाल चाल है सबका? Bringing you another Clash Royale video guys, and it's time for Golden Knight launch party. This is a clip from one of the games of this challenge, and you can see Golden Knight along with Graveyard works really good. You can see the deck on the right side of the screen, and here you can see that I have completed the second part of the challenge without any loss. I'll show you the results in a bit so that you don't think that I restarted the challenge towards the end. Let's collect the emote real quick and I'll show you the emote for once as well. So here it is, and now let's go into the results. So here you can see that I played the challenge in one go, both the parts, and it started from here. The bottommost game is the first game of the challenge, and you can count from here. I had only one loss in the entire challenge, and this deck is working really good. In the first part I was playing Spear Goblins, but in the second part I replaced it with Ice Spirit because I was not very happy with the Spear Goblins as it was not giving me enough value. So now let's get into a gameplay of this challenge, and I'll be showing you the second last game of this challenge just because it was the closest among rest of the games. Talking about the deck guys, there are a lot of tanky units which can be used to tank the graveyard, and that is what this deck is based upon. I have Golden Knight, I have Knight, I have Dragon, and I also have the Goblin from the cage. This Goblin is also very helpful and can tank the graveyard really well. I also have Mega Minion, and it can also be used to tank graveyard in certain situations. So this deck is overall really versatile, and you can keep the pressure on your opponent by playing graveyard according to the situation, and obviously not to go over aggressively with the graveyard. And especially if your opponent is playing Mother Witch, then you have to be a little more cautious. And obviously for Mother Witch you have Fireball, so you can use that as well. Most important thing in this deck is to play according to the situation guys, because if you waste your graveyard without any damage, then you will have to face a big counter push, and that will be difficult to handle. And also in this matchup I have a building, and it's really helpful to counter the Electro Giant, and that is helping me a lot. So once again my opponent played the Electro Giant at the back of the arena, so I decided to go opposite lane. And one more thing that happened is that my opponent did not get enough support for the Electro Giant, so it's easier for me to defend that as well. So once again I got an opportunity to go with the graveyard as my opponent played the giant on the bridge, and you can see that the cycle of the building is really fast in this deck. So it's, as I said, it's very versatile, and with that fireball guys I won that game. And as I said, this was the second last game of the challenge, and as I showed you the result page before, I just lost one single game in the entire challenge. So this deck is working really good, and I hope that this deck will help you also to clear the challenge without having to repeat it once again. So that was all for this video guys. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. With that, I'll take your leave. See you, take care, bye bye.